नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी का आपके अपने यूट्यूब चैनल स्टडी विथ एमपी। आज हम देखेंगे क्लास 6 सोशल साइंस चैप्टर नंबर 2 जर्नी फ्रॉम प्रिमिटिव मैन टू सेटल लाइफ। ओके, नाउ फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज अ MCQ. How was the primitive man's life? The answer is A, nomadic life. Second, which weapon was not used by primitive man to hunt animals? तो A, gun. थर्ड नंबर, इन विच स्टेट इज भीमबेटका सिचुएटेड? तो ए, मध्य प्रदेश. फोर्थ नंबर, विच एक्टिविटीज वेर नॉट स्टार्टेड बाय प्रिमिटिव मैन? डी, इंडस्ट्रीज. 5 नंबर, द प्रिमिटिव मैन मीन्स डी, ऑल ऑफ 3. 6 नंबर, विच स्टेज ऑफ ह्यूमन बीइंग इज कॉल्ड हंटर्स एंड गेदर्स? तो ए, द प्रिमिटिव मैन. 7 नंबर, फॉर विच एनिमल्स डिड प्रिमिटिव मैन वंडर फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर? तो सी, डियर, शीप एंड गॉड्स. 8 नंबर, what age is called all the at the time of life of hunters, gatherers and wanderers? तो B, Paleolithic Stone Age. 9 number, with which technology did primitive man associated? तो D, stone. 10 number, which of the following places found in Madhya Pradesh was inhabited by primitive man? B, Bhimbetka. 11 number, in which type of caves did primitive man live for protection from rain and wild animals? A, natural caves. 12 number, what suggests that primitive men were familiar with the use of fire? B, the remains of the ashes. 13 number, from which caves of South India have the remain of ashes been found? A, Kurnool. 14 number, which was the invention that brought changes in the life of primitive man? A, wheel. 15 number, when the human being started to live settled life, in which type of habitation did they live in the beginning? D, mud houses and thatch. 16 number, who was the first companion of the settled life of human beings? C, dog. 17 number, which two activities lead primitive man towards settled life? तो ए, फार्मिंग एंड एनिमल हस्बेंड्री. 18 नंबर, वेयर इज मेहरगढ़ करंटली लोकेटेड? तो बी, पाकिस्तान. 19 नंबर, रिमेन्स ऑफ व्हाट हैव बीन फाउंड फ्रॉम मेहरगढ़? सी, वीट, बेयरली, सीप, गोट्स एंड द स्टोन इम्प्लीमेंट्स. 20 नंबर, इन विच एंशियंट प्लेसेस ऑफ बिहार हैव द रिमेन्स ऑफ बफेलोज, बुल्स एंड इम्प्लीमेंट्स बीन फाउंड? ए, चिरांड. 21 नंबर, इन विच स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया इज Inamgaon located? B, Maharashtra. 22 number, what kind of houses have been found in Imamgaon? D, round. Question number 2, fill in the blanks. First, primitive man used blank and the skin of animals to cover their body. The answer is bark of tree, means peel. Second number, primitive man lived in blank caves to get protection from rain and wild animals. So the answer is natural. Third number, natural caves have been found in the blank mountain range in central India. So Vidya. Fourth number, nearly blank paintings drawn by primitive man have been found from the Bhimbetkas. So 500. Fifth number, primitive man grew grains around blank, to the river banks. Sixth number, primitive man started to make earthen blank to store the grains. The answer is pots. 7 number, initially primitive man made farming implements from blank. The answer is stones. 8 number, the remain of the wheat, barley, sheep, goats and stone implements are found in blank presently in Pakistan. So Mehergaon. 9 number, Koladwa, the ancient place is located in blank state. So Uttar Pradesh. 10 number, the remain of rice, sheep, goats and stone implements are found from blank of Uttar Pradesh. तो मेहरगाम, महागढ़. Sorry. 11 number, the remains of human colonies and raincoats are found from blanks of Gujarat. तो लंगाज. 12 number, Burjom and Gufkral, the ancient places are located in blank state. तो Kashmir state. 13 number, blanks may be considered as the oldest village of ancient India. तो मेहरगढ़. 14 number, primitive man made barns in blanks houses to store grains? So rectangular. 15 number. The remain of the dead bodies of children have been found from blank of Maharashtra, Imamgaon. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks. Put a right in the box against the following statement if they are true and cross marks if they are false. First, primitive man started rearing violent animals with the beginning of settled life. So wrong statement. Second statement, stone implements were used in Stone Age. So right. Third one, primitive man has drawn pictures of lion and tiger in Bhimbetka. So wrong statement. Fourth number, natural colors have been used in caves of Bhimbetka to drawn picture. So right statement. 5 number, primitive man use iron tools. Wrong statement. 6 number, primitive man use clothes to cover body. Wrong statement. 7 number, primitive man had drawn pictures on the walls of caves. So right statement. 8 number, the discovery of fire was revolutionary of the life of human being. So right statement. 9 number, primitive man made wheel from iron. So wrong statement. 10 number, growing of grassland increased the number of herbivorous animals. So right statement. 11 number, primitive man reared cattle for milk. Right statement. 12 number, primitive man made farming implements from stones. So right statement. 13 number, primitive man cooked food in metal utensils. So wrong statement. 14 number, the people of Mehergarh lived in round shaped houses. Wrong statement. 15 number, the people of Imamgaon used to grow millet, bajra and barley. So right statement. Question number 4, match the pairs correctly. Write the correct number of section B in the answer. Section A. Section A, wheat, barley, sheep, goats and the stone implements. Answer is fourth, Mehergarh, currently in Pakistan. Second number, the rice and bones of the animal. So the answer is third number, Kuldhi Hawa, Uttar Pradesh. Third number, human colonies and rainy courts. Third number, so answer is first number, Langaj, Gujarat. Fourth number, wheat, Latin dogs and peat houses. The answer is 5 number, Gurjom and Gafkaral, Kashmir. 5 number, buffalo bulls and implement. The answer is second number, Chiran. Question number 5. Answer the following question in one or two sentences. First, which type of crops were grown by primitive man? The crops like wheat, barley, millet, rice, lentil, etc. were grown by primitive man. Second one, which animals were reared by primitive man? So the animals like dogs, sheep, goats, cows, buffaloes, bullocks, etc. were reared by primitive man. Third one, what is the initial stage of primitive man called? So the initial stage of primitive man called hunters and gatherers. Fourth number, why did the primitive man wander from one place to another? So the primitive man wandered from one place to another in search of food. Fifth number, who found the places of primitive people's habitation in India? Archaeologist, anthropologist and historian found the places of primitive man's habitation in India. Sixth number, which type of weapons and implement did primitive man use? So primitive man used the weapons and implements made of stones, wood and bones. 7 number, why is the initial time of primitive man called the Stone Age? So since primitive men were associated with stone technology, their initial time is called the Stone Age. 8 number, how were the implements of Stone Age used? So the Stone Age implements of Stone Age were used the stone as implement of Stone Age were used to cut the vegetation and to scrape the skin of animals. 9 number, which type of places did primitive man prefer to live in? So primitive man prefer to stay in good and large place where stones, woods and water could be found. 10 number, which type of and how many paintings have been found in the caves of Bhimbetka? About 500 paintings of birds, deers, wooden spears, trees and human beings have been found in the caves of Bhimbetka. 11 number, how can one say that primitive men were familiar with the fire? So the remains of ashes have been found from the Kurnool located in South India. Thus one can say that primitive men were familiar with fire. 12 number, which discovery and which invention made a significant change in the life of primitive man? Discovery of fire and invention of wheel made a significant changes in the life of primitive man. 13 number. How did primitive man first learn to make the wheel? So the primitive man learned first to make the wheel from the trunk of a tree and its thick wood. 14 number. The number of which animals started to increase with atmosphere changes. So the number of herbivorous animals like deer, sheep, goats, etc. started to increase with atmospheric change. 15 number. In what kind of houses did primitive man live after living in a cave? After living in a cave, primitive man lived in the houses made up of mud, thatch, and other materials around the growing grains. 16 number. With what kind of pet animals did primitive man live? Primitive man lived with the pet animals like dogs, sheep, goats, cows, buffaloes, pigs, etc. 17 number. Due to what activities did the wandering life of primitive man come to an end? So due to the activities of farming and animal husbandry, the wandering life of primitive man came to an end. 18 number. After the end of wandering life, what changes came in the life of primitive man? After the end of wandering life, the changes in food, clothing, and shelters came in the life of primitive man. 19 number. Which farming implements did primitive man make from stone? Primitive man made the farming implements like spade or hoe, chisel, sickle, etc. from stone. 20 number. What was the food of settled primitive man? So the food of settled primitive man was wheat, barley, flesh of animals, fish, roots, and fruits. 21 number. Which places of primitive man's habitat did archaeologists discover? So the archaeologists discovered the places of primitive man's habitat like Burchom, Gufkaral, Hurangi, Mehergam, Lehgaj, Bhimbetka, etc. Question number 22. Where were the remains of children's dead body found? So the remains of children's dead bodies were found from the ancient place named Imamgaon in Maharashtra. 23 number. What was the shape of houses found in Mehergaon? What was found from those houses? So the house found in Mehergaon was in rectangular shape. Small storages banned from grains were found from those houses. 24 number. What belief does the evidence of a god's burial with dead person in ancient time indicate? So the evidence of a god's burial with dead person is found in Mehergaon. This indicates that the belief of imagination of life after the death of human being. 25 number. In which state are Bhimbetka caves located? Bhimbetka caves are located in Madhya Pradesh. Question number 8. Give the historical result of the following statement. Okay. First statement is a primitive man lived in a natural caves. So in the earlier time, primitive man lived a nomadic life. They used to find places where they found the animals like deer, sheep, and goats and water. Thus, they stay in good and large places where stones, wood, and water were found. Here, they lived in natural caves to protect themselves from animals and rain. Second number, the use of fire led to the revolutionary changes in the life of the primitive man. So, the use of fire brought about a revolutionary change in the life of primitive man. After the discovery of fire, primitive man started using fire in the activities described below: for roasting meat of the prey animals, for lighting up their cave, to scare away the wild animals by lighting fire in front of the cave. Third number, primitive man's time is called the Stone Age. So the life of primitive man was associated with stone. Their implements and weapons were made stone from. Their caves were also made of stone. Thus, primitive men were associated with the stone technology. So, their time is called the Stone Age. Question number 7. Answer the following question briefly. First, which implement did primitive men take? Where did they use those implements? So, primitive men made implements of stone, wood, and bones. They used the stone implements to cut the vegetation and to scrape the skin of animals. They also made dress to cover their body from the skin. They used to make farming implements like spade or hoe, chisel, sickle, etc. from stones. Second one, what impacts were seen in the life of primitive man with the change in atmosphere? Write 4 points. The change lead to the development of vegetation and grassland. This in turn lead to increase in the number of herbivorous animals like deer, sheep, goats, etc. The herbivorous animals were useful to primitive in many ways. Due to the changing climate, grains like wheat, barley, millet, bajra, etc. were grown. Finding such crop useful, they started to grow the grain after collecting them with curiosity. The dog was the first companion of the settlement. Third one, state the activities of primitive men after they started to live a settled life. To grow grains at the place water is available. To make the earthen pots or small barns for storing the collected grains. To collected the grains, fruits, meats and fish for food. To make farming implements like spade or hoe, chisel, sickle, etc. Fourth number, how did primitive men use animals? So when primitive men lived the life of hunters and gatherers, they hunted animals like deer, sheep, and goat, and used them as a food. They used their skin to cover their body. They made friends with animals. The dogs became the first companion. They made some animal as their pet. As a result, the cattle rearing activity was started. Question number 8. Answer the following question. Why did the need for settled life arise? So the primitive man led initially nomadic life in search of food. About 1200 मतलब 12,100 years ago, wide changes in the atmosphere around the world lead to the vegetation and grassroots regions. As a result, gradually the activities of agriculture and animal husbandry started. Place could not be left due to agriculture because it takes time to grow crops. They need water. After harvesting, plants have to be cut off and grain have to be removed from them. For this process, one has to stay in one place. Grains such as wheat, barley, and millet became useful food for primitive man. He started to plan animal husbandry. Thus, the need for settled life arose due to agriculture and animal husbandry. Okay. और इसी के साथ हमारा सेकंड चैप्टर जर्नी फ्रॉम प्रिमिटिव मैन टू सेटल लाइफ यहाँ पर ख़त्म हुआ। अब नेक्स्ट पीरियड में नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम देखेंगे थर्ड चैप्टर एंशिएंट टाउन्स एंड स्क्रिप्चर का वर्कबुक सॉल्यूशन। अभी तक आपने हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब ना किया हो, आप नए हो हमारी चैनल पे, तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल।